This is coffee. So normally when I cannot go to coffee shop, so I just buy it from the supermarket to drink. This is Vietnamese coffee, buddy. Drinking coffee, do nothing. Alright, so maybe some of you are curious about my studio, and here you are. So this is my bedroom. I have a bed here. Normally I will sleep here. And I have so many things in the studio, such as a fan and some stuff for better audio. Because you know that when recording voiceover, it is very important to cover your rooms with something so that the voice do not have echo effect. And I have a light here for key light. And I also have a few light here with a chip, just about $30 for each one. And I have a ring light over here, which is normal. So I just want to have more light when I film. Okay, and I have a backlight here. Normally it will be all the world like this. But now I have a new camera angle, so I want to put it right here. Okay, and here's my microphone. This is the Drone Max M1 Pro. A USB microphone, and here's my camera. So this is a microphone and another microphone right here, but I'm currently using this one, the USB microphone. This is Canon 800D with a flip screen right here, and we have a lens, a Sigma lens right here. It is zoom lens from 17 to 50 mm. Okay, the f-stop is maximum 2.8. And also have a wide screen right here and the laptop for editing. And I also have my headset right here for listening. And this is the SSD drive. I have also some lens over there also. And this is the table. Okay. So that is my studio. Hopefully it can help you understand about the studio setup for a YouTube video. Thank you for watching. Bye.